All right, guys, so this is a complete different day. I installed the diff about 6 days ago. And if you recall, I didn't put the Tomei oil in the diff because I didn't have it at the time. However, I have 2 liters of it. I'm gonna install it now and see if that makes a difference regarding the noise and all the different things that I experience with this diff. So this is really just me putting the right oil, the correct recommended oil in the diff per what Tomei recommends. So let's do it. Also, I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy Anthony. He's the one that gets some of my parts for me. So if you're looking for parts here in Japan that you can't source wherever you are located in the world, I'm gonna drop his Instagram on here. You can reach out to him, DM. You remember the bolt to undo those 2 bungs, they're hex 10, so it looks like a big Allen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this and the bar, and that should be all I need to break it loose. So I'll drain it from here, and then I'll put this one back in. Then I'll do this one, and this is where you're gonna fill it. Here he is, the lifesaver. What's up, man? Hey, this is Anthony. This is the man. If you need your parts, I'm gonna drop his Instagram, DM him. You get whatever you need in a hurry. But this is what it's all about right here. It's 2 liters, 80 weight, GL5. This is what they recommend. And so as you saw, I just drained basically the parts store grade oil that was in there. This one already feels thicker, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with this one. All right, guys, that's it. Just fill the diff with the Tomei oil. So I'm gonna give it a drive, see how it, what difference it makes between this one and the store brand oil. So stay tuned for my conclusion on that. But now it has the recommended oil in it. So that's all I was doing today. So that's a wrap. I'm out.